What's up, y'all? Just doing a little Sunday chill stream. I'll be checking the comments. Get this off. Got like this here. I just missed a trade actually. Look at that. NQ went up by 10 points. I'm gonna throw the stream on my I think here. I'm gonna throw it on my like the comments so I can talk on another screen because I missed this gold trade. It's probably not the gold trade, the NQ trade. This is QUANTOWER, by the way. Let me lower this techno. It's a little crazy right now. You guys can even hear it. Alright. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Just doing the stream just to look at the open. Kind of missed the open because I was setting up the stream. Using QUANTOWER and I'm copy trading Apex, Phemex, and TOPSTEP. I also have this bad boy up. Some crypto situation. What do we have here? Bitcoin Cash. So right now I'm just looking at this and just trying to see what I'm working with here. I'm gonna get this one off screen though, because I want to stare at. I focus on futures, even though it kind of makes a move at like 6 to 7, and then it just chills out until Asian session opens. But the copy trader is on. It's got a 1 minute chart here, and it's got a 15-minute footprint chart over here. I may reduce the size of this too, because I'm scalping. Let's go to 3 minutes. See what I can grab any better data. Not that many orders, man. This is like low volume, but yeah. So I'm keeping my eyes on NQ. I'm looking at gold. YM's not really moving that much. Moved, nah, it's garbage. Oil moved a little bit, dropped out the gate, dropped about 100 pips. So let me see if I can put the what do you call it? Like 10 screens here. Put the YouTube on my phone so I can respond to comments. If that makes sense. Do this. Yeah, now I know why people say it's hard to stream and trade at the same time, because there's a lot going on. But I'll get used to it. I'm going to be doing London sessions because I am working full time. And I want to be streaming for about 2-3 hours a day, maybe. Depends. Sometimes I'll get off later. Maybe I'll do power hour if I can, or mornings. Depends on my schedule. But I know I could probably get some London and Asian sessions in. So I'm not gonna stream too late. Plus my team is playing. Football is playing at about 8:20. Any football fans? Oh, let me get to the freaking stream. Any football fans in the stream tonight? There you go. I will mute that so I don't hear myself twice. For a loud chat on my phone. Alright. Alright, so what I'm doing, just to let you guys know, I'm looking at NQ. I'm trading MNQ. I got QUANTOWER up on the main screen. To the right is a footprint chart. And there's a time and sales down here. I changed the size down to 2 contracts for the NQ, full size contracts. It's a 1 minute chart. It's not really moving, guys. It moved a total of what, 20 points. I think that was the move for now. I have a 5-minute chart I'll bring over here. You could say I marked the pivot point right here. Seems like a nice bottom. Cumulative delta is a little wonky right now. If you see this cumulative delta, I just dropped off when the open started, and see if I can adjust this. Just go like this. Alright, so QUANTOWER is a little wonky. Like, as soon as you open it up, it gets a little, it takes a little time to warm up, if that makes any sense. So gold, I put a pivot at 1940. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's there. Starting to like the QUANTOWER charts a lot more, and it's simpler. It's so chaotic as the Oh, I made 2 other videos, one on Apex and one on TOPSTEP. So I'm gonna be doing more videos and streaming to get the ball rolling. Look at this gold candle. Look at this the stopping candle. What time was that at? Oh, that was at the open. So this is at the nightly open, the daily open. It's Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And let's see, so that went up and came back down. And what'd this do? And this is NQ on the left, and I have gold on the right. So when I say with this, that's what that means. NQ went up as well and came down, but then it came back up. So are they moving opposite? I'd say yeah, right? Down to a degree. But I have to go to a 1-minute chart. Let's change to a 1 minute, just have like as you know, like to like. I normally don't trade these sessions. I wanted to get on by like 5:45 p.m. and be ready, and I'll chart it up and all that, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. So let's just look at this here. 1804, 604. Choppy. Where's it now? So coming down. This doesn't know what it wants to do. It's just doing the pivot point. I'm gonna go to, this is a 5-minute chart on the right. And the footprint chart, I'm using the full size contract and Qs. Probably better off just using M and Q. I'm gonna change it, I think. Maybe. If anybody's on watching, let me know if you want me to look at something else too. I could always throw on gold up now. I mean, crypto seems it's just chopping around. It's nothing drastic. I mean, it was decent moves if you're scalping. Like, you know, if you're scalping and using 10x leverage, it looks like you can make some coin, but it's, you got to be in and out quick. I mean, you know, I'm just looking at it right now. I'll bring it up, chart. It's a little choppy. Second. So let's just do trading view chart. Leaving the NASDAQ on the right, and this is perp. This is a shitcoin on the left. There's a shitcoin on the left right here, and this thing's been moving. I mean, watch this. Let me open it up. This thing's been like, if you're a scalper, this is like a dream. I mean, that's, you could just throw 2 EMAs with a, you know, color it out, and as soon as it's red, just short. As soon as you get a little blue action, just go long. I mean, it's, you could have a 20 and a, I think that's a 20 and a 10, maybe even 20, 10 and a 50 across up. Once they cross over, it's lights out. Not that I even use those that much, but then you have the volume profile. I haven't really charted this out that well. I've just been looking at it from a distance, and you know, if I take some of this noise off here, maybe I'll just take some of this noise off of this indicator. Let's go like 30-minute. Okay. Since what? Thursday. And it popped up Thursday, right? They're hovering around what, 70 to 85 cents on this bad boy, and then it just decided to go. Yeah, they decided to take it up, chop it down, bring it back up. If I go to larger candles, you probably see the move easier. So, price action wise, it's real simple. They had like 3 move up, 1, 2, 3, brought it back down, covered this candle, chopped it up again, brought it down, hit the value area. Again, it stuck around the value area here, then went back up. This developed value right here, and this was what, Friday? And then we had a little move up, not a little move, pretty decent move up. This was Friday night, excuse me, into Saturday, yeah, Friday evening into Saturday. So like Friday, midnight into 1 a.m. And then this thing just tanked like 30% or more. Yeah, like about 30%. And continued to move down. The false move back up. Not false move. Retrace up, get some liquidity, and it set an impulse down. There's not even a wick on this 4-hour candle. So now it's just kind of flat. Yeah, I probably wouldn't. I don't even know why I'm on this. I'm done with this one. I think I have an oscillator down here. Oh yeah, look at this oscillator. It's a custom one I use. It's just a derivative of like a MACD. It's called the Harsey, but it's not like, look, when this is going up, this is going down. It's not the best. You know, it just sometimes gives confluence on lower time frames. Like watch, like this. Check it out. All right, let's say I'm scalping this right now. And just go, what's today? All right, Sunday. I say, oh, Sunday I want to scalp a shitcoin. So you just basically look at when this is green and it taps this red level here. It's supposed to do a short, but see how it didn't play out. So I mean, maybe get bigger candles, but yes, it's so choppy. You know what? If I do 1 minute and just go like this, I'll just do like a 1% move on a measurement. Let's check this out. Soon as these turn red, look, so red on the bottom indicator. I mean, for real simplicity, it made almost a 2% move down. This oscillator, you know, it's decent, and you can find it anywhere. Just go on YouTube, type in Harsey. Okay. Yeah, if you're just kind of lazy and want to scalp crypto, but then the problem is, see these? Look, you'll be scalping thinking like, oh, everything's gonna go great, and then bang, they just knock it down like 5 cents, which is like 8 or 9%. So if you leverage the 10x, it's like 80%. It's gonna wipe you out. So you gotta be careful with these shitcoins. But I know this perp was a good one to scalp. You know, it looks like it's just gonna stay sideways now. So let's go to something else. Bitcoin Cash, something a little more stable, a little more volume. Let me just check the futures. Okay. Gold. All right, so Bitcoin is just, it's gonna make its move this week. You know, it's Sunday. It's right now it's grabbing liquidity. That's all it's doing. So what is this? From 25,570 to 26. So you got about a $400 move, which technically is about 1.5%. Watch. I'll do it right now to measure for you guys. So yeah, 1.68. So they're grabbing liquidity, and then they're going to decide which way they want to bring this. When I say they, I mean the general market makers. But if you notice, the levels are semi-consistent. On Bitcoin, you have this wick right here, which no level right here. I mean, this was what? This is Wednesday, and look what it wicked up to, and look what this wicked up to here. And it's a level right here, a level right here. And so it looks like a range to me. I can even move this down a little bit to compensate. Yeah. And you have more on the 1 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. It's just in a range, and then it goes up, grabs some liquidity, pops back down. I mean, until it breaks out of this range, I'd say. I mean, but look at these moves. Look at these moves. These are pure liquidity grabs. Look, it goes up, and there's not enough buyers, sellers crush it down. Comes down, slow grind up. It's always elevated down, but this was the elevator up actually. And this was like a kind of a stair step, then it elevated down on Thursday at night, and then kind of goes sideways. But if you're making scalps with 10, 20, 30x leverage with tight, you know, with decent stop loss and risk management, you do well. It's just Bitcoin is not the way it used to be. Liquidity has been drained out of it. It's the beginning of September. The economy's looking eh. I mean, not even that. Just more so all the FUD going around and just general markets. So Bitcoin itself, I don't really trade crypto right now, but I keep my eye on it. But if I do want to scalps on the weekends, I can't trade futures, so I look at crypto. So, and what I noticed is small coins are moving. So Perp is one of them. Look at this. I mean, just to give you perspective, look at this move. 40% move. If you have patience, I mean, even if I use this stupid oscillator, look, any oscillator. If I throw market liberator B, MACD, almost any oscillator here, I'm gonna get some kind of indication to at least go long. And you know, I could have banged out worst case 10-20% with some patience. This is on a 4-hour time frame. So that's the altcoin I was looking at. Looks like you have Sol, which was, it's in a range right now in a 1 hour. You know, I had that big drop today, then it came back up, dropped back down. Now it's at a value area, which is the white line comp. Dropped a lot, almost like $5. But I mean, to me, this looks like divergence right here. This indicator is decent with divergence. I mean, if you take out the wick, that wick's just a stop liquidity grab, but okay. We don't know. That's a 1 hour time frame. Which I don't trust divergences on this indicator really with. So let's go with net indicator. Now this is wild and WorldCoin. I always call it WildCoin. WorldCoin. It's Sunday. Whatever. Give me a break. Cyber. What else was I looking at? Gala dropped a lot. You know, it seems like the bottom's at, not the bottom, but a point of interest is right down here. Let's look at the futures market. So it's just chopping around. You know, if this music is too much, if anyone's in the chat, I'll put on something chill. Football's at 8:30. Gold? Alright, gotcha. Now, just to let you know, look, I'm not just charting on that. I'm doing gold on QUANTOWER. So I got a 1 minute here and a 5 minute here. I could change the footprint chart as well to gold. Just give you some more perspective. Three-minute chart. It's low volume right now. So I put a pivot down here. Throw another one. Let's see. Let's go to gold. These are low time frame pivots, obviously. We got to a larger one. Let's just do. I mean, 1940 is obviously a very serious support. I mean, how could you say it's not, right? And the $5 range that it's in, when is this date here? 9/6. I don't even know what that was 4 days ago. Can't do the math in my head. You know, once we get up above, I'd say 1946. Potentially, we could start looking for longs. I mean, listen, you could do a. What's the word? Let me get to the other chart. Sorry. Honestly, I trade NQ a lot more than gold. I scalp gold on a super low time frame, so I don't think I've looked at gold in a 15-minute on QUANTOWER ever. Let's see. Let's go to a high time frame. Let's do 4 hour. Let's look at it. It's not looking bullish, I will say that, but you know, it's Sunday. It didn't move down a lot, so potentially I would say depends on the market tomorrow. The New York Open and the London Open more seriously, the London Open. A larger time frame. The only way to really trade this right now is like scalp in 30-second, 20-second time frames in a 2-3 minute, and make like, you know, quick in and outs. Seriously. But look at the gaps. There's no volume. It's garbage. Gold's not garbage. The what do you call it? Yeah, not looking bullish is good. Yeah, listen, man. It all depends on 2 things. Are you short or long, right? That's it. There's only 2 ways the market can go: short, up or down, or sideways. So technically 3. You know, when did you get in short? I'm neutral. I'm in no positions right now. Look, this is my position tab. Is there no positions? I didn't take any trades. How's crypto looking? Garbage still. It's so fucking choppy, man. It's disgusting. Is anyone trading crypto? I know I only have like half of one viewer here, but are you guys trading crypto? Or is it just futures? Or both? I know, listen, Monday I just trade NQ, or I trade Dow and some gold. But crypto, I stopped trading crypto. I used to have the name Crypto Life and do the whole thing, and I don't know. Just for now, I'm just keeping my eye on it. I think Bitcoin's ultimately going to go down to like 23,000, 20,000. You know, we'll see how this month, September, what happens. Everyone's calling for it to go there, so maybe it might not. Oh, there gold pops down. 7 o'clock. Here we go. Let me pay attention. I'm going to lower this techno a little bit. It's distracting me, to be honest. Alright. Gold just took a shit. Look at that wick. I'm going to show you. Oh, you see the wick here? Look at that. What the fudgicle sticks? Is that to grab liquidity? Wow. Hey, look at this. Yes. What a wick. Dang. Look at this. Grabbing liquidity. That's all it's doing. What's NQ doing? Chopping. I mean, look. It's opened at 6 p.m. It took a nice long and grabbed a measly 20 points with NQ. That's not bad. With gold, it would have been open at 6 o'clock. Even if you waited for this nonsense to go down, you go down to 1942 to 1941. It's 1 point. It's $100 on a regular size contract. It's not even. I don't know, man. All I know is the last few streams I watched from other streamers that stream on Sunday nights, they wait a little. They either do the 5:45, you know the guy I'm talking about, the guy that screams at everyone and bans everyone, and then the other guy is chilling, you know, X9, cool dude. I think he streams tonight. He streams a little later. He does gold. But they do gold in the Forex region. I do gold in the futures region. Just it's a little different. Essentially, it's the same though. But I think there's a lot more volume in that when it's like slow hours. Alright, let's see if I'm gonna make a trade or I'm just gonna cut the stream. I really appreciate anyone showing up. There's gonna be a lot more streams, and I have videos I put out on Apex and on TOPSTEP. I'm gonna be doing comparisons, QUANTOWER. Oh, let's go to QUANTOWER. I'm gonna be doing QUANTOWER copy trading, more videos, more features. Somebody asked me a question on one of the QUANTOWER feature, and it was basically, how do you draw a line and copy it to the chart? And I honestly didn't know. I figured it out today. It was the most simplest solution. So you go like this, right? Go on the line, thingamajiggle, click here, then you left click, availability, all charts with the same symbol. And how did I do it? Oh, wow, it's up there. Okay. I thought it didn't work. Thanks, just random. Appreciate it. Market's dead right now. Just gonna hang for a little bit. Got a football game coming on in like an hour. Where's my oh, dark techno. Not non-copyrighted. What else? Alright, let me like make this not look so chaotic for you. Got the trusty old Liberator A and B. Yeah, this is the shittiest session. This is green box here to prior to Tokyo. Yeah, nah, I don't even know why I traded this, to be honest. But hey, listen, I got the stream working. I almost got it working by accident, but hey, at least it's working. Could have shorted, coulda, shoulda, woulda, they say. I could have shorted Bitcoin Cash. Went down to like 1%. Let's see. Alright, so NQ, let's go. Let's clear up the shit mess. We got here. Way too many lines. Alright, this is not helpful. Okay, where's the VWAP? That's too much garbage going on. Get rid of this. See how this VWAP indicator looks. Alright, you know what? Let's keep it simple. Stick with VWAP. How's gold look? Gold's messy. Low volume, messy shit. Hot mess right now. This money flow indicator actually works on gold. This is Market Liberator, the free version of Market Liberator B that CryptoFace charges like $19,000 for. I'm just kidding. He charges a lot though. For like $1,000, $500 for this indicator, which you get for free. Can't talk. And Market Liberator A, you know. So to each his own. You donate like $20 and you get it. But see this red, and yeah, kind of like works. See this green? Look at this green. Enter long, red. Enter short. What do you get here? You grab. I mean, listen. That's not bad. That's with a contract. That's $140. You know, with multiplied by how many contracts you use on a 1 minute chart. You know, if you really zoom it in and toy with it, but look at this. It just looks like weird. It looks so choppy. All right, let's get off this. Let's go to NQ's shot right now. The only way to make money with NQ right now for me personally is to do a risky 4 or 5 contract trade with a buy stop, you know. So when it breaks out of a level at like, let's say what time is now? It's 7:11. So when market's open, we have like a news thingamajig here. What's going on? I don't know why those pop up in those spots. Let's see how the XY is looking. Okay, I'm on a 1 minute chart, so let's I have a gap. This gap's decent. That's a DXY has a gap. Let's see if it goes in a 30-minute. Yeah. That's gonna reclaim that. Will that equivalate? Let's equivalate a word. Will that bring? If that goes up there, which we don't know if it's hitting resistance right now. Will that hit? Excuse me. Point is, if this goes up here, okay, it'd be a decent amount. But usually ES goes the opposite way. But ES is not moving. It's not gonna be moving for a little while. So, what else? 10-year. That's Friday. 50 yen's doing. When's that? The yen. The yen has no idea what the fuck it wants to do. Excuse me. Oh yeah, yep. What kind of business? I mean, I think almost anyone that's on YouTube is selling something. Indicators, Discord rooms, and listen, some are good. Some are good. It's community. It's they're giving value, so it's worth it. But if you're selling an indicator that you can get for free, it makes no sense. It's like it's literally the same exact indicator, and he still has this guy like Tom Crown. And listen, nothing against them personally, just Tom Crown. I've been in the game for a minute, and as I get bigger and I start streaming and I'll do like show my face, like even this candles guy. Seriously, his analysis is like it's Mickey Mouse basic shit. You know, I'm not even going into like serious analysis right now, but you know they use this shitty chart. You gotta use real. You gotta use like, you know, bro. This is like what really goes on. This, okay, footprints. Even book maps garbage because those levels they put they could be spoofed. They could pull those, you know, and that's what they do, especially with everybody's watching book map. And I noticed with NQ there'll be like a level like because NQ has less liquidity. There'll be like a prominent level and it'll hit it, it'll tap, you know, do a little retrace and blow right past, or it'll just blow right past the level. So if people are like relying on those levels, I mean, I seen another trader and he like says it gravitates to that level on bookmap. Like there's something on here called Dom Surface. I'll just load up. Let's just get rid of this. I only have level 1 data, so yeah, I'm not a big shot. But let's just, yeah, look how slow the YM is. Let's put it on NQ. NQ, where you at? Where you at? Come on, NQ. Alright. Even worse? Should we, what the fuck? Alright, usually this is a lot what's the word? Faster. What's going on here? It's garbage. Alright. See, this is what I mean by QUANTOWER. It's not really working. It's maybe I gotta let it sit and marinate for a little bit. Wow, this is dead. Let's see if I switch to M and Q. Maybe there's more. Yeah, there's no orders. Look at that. Really? Oh, well, I gotta. Let's go to M and Q. You'll get a little more action here. See what I mean? It's like book map. Same thing. I just don't have level 2, what do you call it? See these levels there? This is how you would get the levels that book map has. You know, you would put heat map. This one's garbage. I'm gonna fast forward this. It's still garbage. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, and also the gap. Yeah. Oh, really? Let me see. But yo, check this out. I'm just trying to show you the QUANTOWER version book map. If you get level 2 data, it's actually really good. It's a little wonky. You just gotta get used to it, kind of, I guess. And you need level 2 data. You can't do shit without the, you know, level 2 data. So that's that. I'll just, you know what? I'll keep it here. Shits and giggles. I'll throw it in there. Sometimes you can catch the moves a little bit. You go, you know, if the volume spikes up, you see, you know, if you draw levels out over here, you can draw levels out over here, and you know, these bubbles now when you click on them, it's supposed to tell you trade size. Okay, yeah, trade size. Watch. See to the right of this. Look, when you click on that, trade size 2, trade size 2. It's an MNQ. 2 MNQs? Really? I tell you, this dude just put 2 MNQs. Bro. That's why it's not moving. Alright. You said the yen. Let me see. Want me to pull up yen on the quant tower? Let's see if it's just do that. Yen. Which one is it? It's 6. See, I don't know. I have the paid license for the multiple. What do you call it? It just Dom surface disappeared, then it comes back. It's like possessed a little. But I have the paid license to copy trade Bolonox into TOPSTEP into Apex. Hold on, this music's gotta fucking go, to be honest. I just put anything else on. That's not bad. Maybe this will do it. Alright, so trying to find yen. Which I will in a second, but just go to NQ, see what it's doing. Chopping around a little bit. Looks like gold grabbed that liquidity right there, and it may make a move up. Let me get rid of this bad boy over here. Alright. I mean, listen. Not that anyone could have caught this, but and not that it's a lot. Forget it. Forget I even said that. Alright, I'm gonna try and pull the yen up. Just where's the my charts? So the yen is 6JU is the instrument. Oh, there, yeah, huge gap right there. Yep. All right, you know how to use trading view, guys, right? You just left click, sync globally, so it's gonna be in all your charts. All right, maybe trade. I'm gonna trade the Asian indices and stuff tonight. Look at this. Why is it not showing up? I didn't do the global. All right, there's a gap on the dollar index. Picking the music off for a minute. All right. So these gapped, and I synced the charts to my other chart. I synced to my other charts. Excuse me. The pound has a little gap as well. Look, should be a large time frame so I could see this when it comes back to grab it. Yeah. Usually it grabs these gaps. So let's go back to this one. Pull this across. Good observation with the yen. What else we got? Let's look at RTYRO. That's chopping around. Yes, it is chopping around. Yeah, so Bitcoin's popped up now. It's at the value area. ETH tapped the value area, came back down, just like $10. I mean, you could scalp that. $10. It's like a 0.6% leverage. You can make when you actually make like 1.2% because it's 2 times 20 times the 0.6. So the math is 1.2%. 12%. Yeah, I'll probably jump off, and I really appreciate anybody here right now. If anybody's still here and you want me to look at something, let me know. I'll pull it up and I will chart it out. Multiple ways to chart. Chart up here. I like 35 charts, but kind of simplify it because less is more, they say. Right. This is just a VWAP indicator. I got the this one here for the time frames, like the Tokyo, Asian, London, New York sessions, the Brinks box. You know, this is what's his name's indicator, Tino. But But anyway, all right, guys, I'm gonna get off. 7:20. Doesn't really. I don't really see much going on right now. Thanks for showing up, and I'll be doing more streams when there's more volatility, and that's about it. This is QUANTOWER again over here. Just want to show you. I didn't pull up the yen on quant. Sorry about that. But I mean, listen, I could take a trade real quick. Let me just see. Copy trader is here. Show you this real quick. So check it out. Yeah, so I have my Bullinex parent connection, and my child connections at TOPSTEP and Apex. Minimize this. Just debating on about getting more data and having Bookmap on here, like the DOM surface, which is equivalent to Bookmap, or just getting Bookmap. Add to my arsenal, especially for when I'm streaming. Alright, let's go back to this. Yeah, gold's dead. It's not something I think I might trade yet. Flip this back over to NQ. If we have any action. I have Bookmap, full disclosure, on my iPad. I got this thing, Think with Bookmap. He's a YouTube channel. He gives out Bookmap for free. So, you know, I didn't want to buy it until I learned it a little bit. And it's decent. You got to go into Discord, sign up to his Discord. And I don't even know him, no affiliation for even saying this, but I'll just say it. And I don't even know he's in here. It's got like one person watching maybe. But the Think with Bookmap's really good for, his service, because you can watch it on Bookmap on for free on YouTube, and then you can go in his Discord and watch on Discord, and it's a less delay. It's like almost like as if you had it yourself. YouTube is like a few second delay. Alright, so now we're back in NQ. Let's just maximize this a little bit. I mean, look how many orders there are. There's no volume right now. Have a great night, and I'll be back.